To use these extinguishers, the method's largely the same. We've got a safety seal over the top here, which tells us that this extinguisher is full and it's been tested. And it's really, really simple to break that seal. What we're going to do is get the pin here, and this pin prevents us from accidentally discharging the extinguisher. We'll just twist the pin. That seal is now broken. We'll remove the pin, and we now have an active extinguisher. What we've got here in the garage downstairs is a simulated pot on the stove, but it's a good simulation because it shows us that the CO2 extinguisher, when we go to use it, we're going to have to get up and over what's on fire. And that means sometimes having to move the extinguisher up a little bit. So it's not as simple as just spraying something on the ground quite often. If it's a pot on the stove or a microwave or something up on a bench, we're going to have to get up and smother what's on fire. So we've pulled the pin. We'll do a test to make sure this is active. And now we're going to get up and over what's on fire and suppress the fire.